back, guys. It's me, Mr. Frederick, once again. And today we're going to be talking in this lesson one-step algebra problems, and we're going to explain specifically the addition property of equality. So here we have a one-step problem, algebra problem here: x minus 5 equals 2. So the addition property here will be, you see this problem and you want to have the x alone. So let me rewrite this: x minus 5 equals 2. So in order to have x alone, we need to move this 5 to where the 2 is at. Since it has a subtraction operation, we need to use the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. And we have to add the 5 on both sides. Okay? So when we add this 5, we cross out this one and we add here, which will lead us to x equals 2 plus 5, which is 7. So the answer that we're looking for is 7. So when you test it out again, let's replace the x with 7 minus 5. That does gives us 2. So that is the addition property. You have, when you have a problem, a one-step problem like this, when it has a subtraction symbol, that's when you add to cancel that out on one side so that you can add it in the other side. So you can leave the x alone on one side so you can have the answer number on the other side, just like this. And that is the addition property when you're doing one-step algebra problems. Okay? This is it for this lesson. Stay tuned for the next one that we're going to do, which is the subtraction property of equality. This is Mr. Frederick, out.